amazing performer, this one.
Thank you so
A
much.
great performer, and we must take care of her because what you are bringing is something that no one has ever brought. The glam and the culture can coexist in such an amazing way that you put it out. And siyabonga.
Alright, simbukele lapha ekhaya njengamanje ke ngine uMahula uphuma ke stage 20 July 2026. Mahu sikubingelele sikwamukele mfethu. What a performance. Cela usitshele nje ukuthi mfethu uzizwa kanjani kuba ku 20 July 2026.
Listen, I'm excited, and also remember, it's my first live band.
Okay.
Singing live on my music. People like Back of God's used to it, but I'm happy. People are singing along and they're enjoying the vibe.
Yeah mfethu, yabona ke njengamanje siku 2026 ku July half year ne. I want you to tell abantu ukuthi bangalindelani kuwena kulonyaka ka 2026.
Sine album Maskandi with Landro. It's like a joint album.
Wow.
In November, I'm dropping my own album.
Okay.
Like it's a house music, obviously. La engeze khona. So yeah, lindelani.
Okay. So every young artist ne wanna be like Mahu. I want you to inspire them ukuthi mabefuna ukuba njengoMahu, yini into kumele avoid, yini into kumele bazenze.
I always say, people will be like, you wanna do Mahu's vibes, you know? But I always say, guys, people wanna make money.
Yeah.
People wanna be successful. Sometimes you have someone that you're looking up to.
Yes.
Like, I'm looking up to someone, you know? But I was like, let people do whatever they wanna do. Umuntu ufuna ukuphumelela, ufuna ukuba nemali, ufuna ukuba ne business right. You have to look up to someone.
Yeah.
I always say that, like, do your thing, follow your dreams. Whatever uNkulunkulu abeke engqondweni yakho, this thing is yours. Ke uNkulunkulu abeke into engadepend kuwena. Like, let's say engabelong kuyona.
Oh, yes.
Let's say wena you wanna be a singer, uNkulunkulu uzofaka ngeke kufaka ukuthi u-engineer. You don't know
I wanna
this
be a
thing.
TV star, I wanna be a TV star.
Eh?
I wanna be a TV star.
What?
I wanna be a TV star.
Okay, all right. uNkulunkulu uzobeka engqondweni because it's in your heart and in your heart and in your mind. So uzofollow leyo nto leyo uNkulunkulu abekile. Ngeke ifike into yakhe engqondweni yakho if it's not yours.
Yeah.
Always say that.
What a message. Khona singakulindela kuwena umthandeni this year.
Obvious. I'm waiting for him to tell me. But listen, we have something on album. There is a song, Vele.
Yeah.
The first album was dropped in August. There's a song enayo Vele.
Oh.
Asikwazi ukwenza something ngathi ema-Woolies. Asikwazi Nkosi yami.
Awukhulume namawulizi amahle mfethu.
Woolies. Ngithanda into engachazeki. Uthando leni like the way you welcome me and then welcome ngayo mengifika kuyimaskandi.
Yes, yes.
Nakunika uthando. Ngiyazi abanye babehlupha. But
Obvious.
like akubona baba Woolies labo bethuka but ngabona uthanda ama Woolies defender, you know.
Yeah.
Or like this is love, I don't care. Angizofaka lutho labantu bangithanda ayikho into engizoyenza, you know. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time and your humbleness, my sister.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
uMahu 20 July 2026 experience useperformile. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuzwila konke ofuna ukuzwa ngoMahu. 2026 uzokhipha album, uzobe khona umthandeni SK na kanjani. Awutho.
Yes.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much.